Hello friends, myself Samar BM, and in this video I am going to explain how to execute word count program in Hadoop. So in previous video I have explained how to execute the word count program locally. So after executing successfully in locally, you can execute it in Hadoop. So first you will start all the Apache Hadoop daemons by using the command start all sh. So we can see all my nodes are running. So now you will download the Hadoop streaming jar file, which is important to run the MapReduce function using the following link. You can download the latest jar file from the link Apache Hadoop download. So after downloading, you will store it in a particular directory in your local file. So after this step, you will create a directory in your Hadoop file system. So you can do that by the following command. So you can see I have created a directory name with word count Hadoop in Hadoop file system. So inside this I will copy my input file which is stored in my local file system. So for that I can use the command so you can use put or copy from local. So here I'm using put, and this is my location where my input file is stored in local system, and I'm copying this file to the word count Hadoop directory. So after this step you will use the jar file to execute the mapper and reducer function. So for that, so I'm using the Hadoop jar. So this is the location where my Hadoop streaming jar file is downloaded. So you can see it, this is the extracted jar file. So here I'm using the mapper and reducer file which are present in my local system, which I've explained it in my previous video. So this is my file, and this is the location where my mapper.py file is located. So hyphen mapper represents the name of your mapper file. So in my case the name is mapper, so it can be anything, it can be map1, map2, so whatever the name you have given you have to present it here. So it's mapper for in my case, and this command is to execute the mapper file. Similarly, next file is reducer.py file, so it's stored in this location, and the name of my reducer file is reducer itself, and this command is to execute the reducer file. So next you have to give the input. So I have told you how to copy the file from local system to the Hadoop file system. So the input file is stored in the word count Hadoop, and output will be present in the word count Hadoop directory, and inside that it will create another directory output1, and it will store the output there. So output1 is already created in my case, so I'll just change the name. So you can see it's running, so it may take some time depending upon your data. So it is showing map and reduce. First mapping will be done, later the reducing will be done. So map is 100% done. Next it will start the reduce function. So the reducing completed. So the output directory is in word count Hadoop output 2. So to check this I can use the command Hadoop fs cat so I'll open my local file system, local host. So you can see the program has been executed successfully. A has appeared for 2 times, across has appeared for 2 times, and off has appeared for 2 times, and rest of the words has appeared for 1 times. So hope this video will help you. Thank you.